pineapple salsa, great combination. Gotta try this again. Hey, Cheshire Cat here from the Rolling Acres chapter, BBQ Pit Boys. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Another recipe I saw when I was in Nashville is there was a lot of pineapple, a lot of live fire. They use a lot of pineapple. So today, and I've seen a few people do this before, so this is not an original recipe. You cut the pineapple up, right? Just to leave the core. And then you put the chicken on top of the pineapple and you roast it, all right? And then we're going to make a pineapple salsa so nothing goes to waste. And I think it's gonna be good. We're gonna feature Poultry Perfection. It'll be good. All right, we're gonna start with drying this off a little bit. Gotta want it a little bit dry so that the rub sticks. So I'm going to take some of this rub. Yeah, I'm going to put it right down in the skin because I mean it can be done, but for this quick of a cook, I'm not really going to try and spend a lot of time trying to get the skin crispy on this, but I do want to get this Poultry Perfection flavor inside on the breast. So we're going to season this up. Like I said, this is just a real quick cook. I wanted to share with you guys. Nothing crazy. All right, just really quick seasoning. Not a lot. All right, we're gonna do the pineapple next. So we're just gonna cut the top off the pineapple. Kind of like that. Well, it's not too straight, but it's all right. So now I'm gonna cut down the center. All right, cut this down. Let's see, about here. It's not an exact science. You just wanna get it close. And here, and here, come on. Right, something like this. So I'm going to take this and we're trying. Well, good enough. You got the idea. So we're going to season this up. We're going to put the chicken on top of it. Something like this. All right, something like this. I mean, we're going to use the bottom of the pineapple, part of the salsa afterwards, but I think you get the idea of where I'm heading with this. So, all right, we're going to start the smoker. This is going to be with cherry wood, so we'll see you in a few. All right, got the smoker going. We're going to throw our chicken right here, indirect. I know it seems like he's tipping a little bit. So we're going to throw in this pan, we're going to throw some pineapple juice and just some water, just to add a little aromatics. All right, like I said, I was going to do cherry, so we're going to throw some cherry wood in there. All right, and this is going to go for a while. Well, like I said, this is a trial. I haven't done this before. As you can see, it was too high. So I had to cut it down just a little bit more, but I think we're going to be good. We're going to try and do this around 325, 350. So this should be a pretty quick cook. All right, we'll see you on the other side. Okay, this part I'm going to be making the salsa. So I'm going to take the pieces of pineapple that I cut off where I left the core in there. I'm going to use some cilantro, a lime, a red onion, red pepper, and some of this stuff has seasoning on it because I had to cut the pineapple down a little bit. And then some more Poultry Perfection, keep with the theme of the cook. So I'm going to cut this up and I'll be back. Okay, we got this all chopped up. You didn't need to see all that. So we're going to take a lime, juice of one lime. We're going to squeeze that in there. I'm going to much into this lime. All right, there I got as much as I can out of them. So we're going to chop up some cilantro. Right. Put this in, not a lot. And we're going to mix it up a little bit. It's looking good. I'm going to throw a little bit of Poultry Perfection in there. Mix it up some more. I think it's going to be good. We're going to mix in some of the pineapple that's out there being smoked. So a little bit of smoked pineapple added to this too. I think it's going to be really good. So cool. Okay, we're a couple hours in. I had to do a little bit of adjusting. You can see it. Hey, buddy, it's coming along pretty good. Kind of had to put the pole back in there so it'll stay up. The pineapple kind of got a little mushy, but I think it's coming along pretty good. What do you think? All right, this has been resting for a little while. I'm kind of hungry. So we're gonna take some dark meat here. Yeah, that looks good. Got a nice little smoke in there. Let's take a little bit more. Try to do it without the knife. There we go. All right, I think that looks pretty good. And we'll take our handy burrito here. Throw a little bit of salsa in there. Roll it up. Kind of sloppy, but that's what it's about. Ready? Here we go. It's real good. Yeah. Pineapple, Poultry Perfection, pineapple salsa, great combination. Gotta try this again.